unwrapped crayon so you can rub it flat
Yes.
and get your image.
This is really fun. Did it work?
So when you're done, you want to lift the tape carefully so as not to rip the paper and roll it up. There you go.
We got 20 passport plaques from 20 countries of origin of immigrants to Lawrence, past and present. Yes, we have Italy.
I didn't say that.
Just thought you might be interested. It's actually the one the scales were on right in.
I'm saying a long time.
Awesome.
Somebody wants to-
Actually, would you mind taking a picture for me with my phone?
Sure.
Yeah, I know, I just, you know,
45 years to be
I
precise.
understand.
44.
I'm sure.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Yeah, you notice everything.
Jenny. Yeah.
Together, but some folks have been taking it close.
I'm not far away. The one from Portugal?
Portugal, no. Which is ironic, given that we've got the diorama with St. Peter's and Paul inside. But no, they're a little later than most of the Ellis Island era immigrants, but somewhat before the post-60s immigrants.
bit off more than I could chew. crazy. Not a week.
Mercury. That was the big thing when I was about in 5th or 6th grade.
Dip them in what?
Mercury, you know,
Really?
well, that was before. And when you were going to be poisoned to death by everything that you touched.
Where was that?
Kate, Barnstable.
Okay, vamos a pintar.
Down to Fair?
No, there was a blacksmithing shop
Okay,
in
vamos
West
a pintar.
Barnstable.
It's southwest?
Yeah, all the way southwest, pretty much. Oh, yeah. He wasn't talking to me.
Actually need this side, I don't need it to be very, it can be that wide, so I'm gonna actually reduce it in this dimension, just a little bit.
No, the slack that's coming off of that, is that some of your metal you're losing?
A little bit, yeah. I mean, it's not a lot. I mean, we're talking about just, you know, a fraction of a fraction, but it does wear away. And if you were, say, in a situation where this is gonna be hot for days and days and days, you'd have trouble in your hands, because you'd erode away a 1/4 inch of that metal, and, you know, there'd be problems with it. So what happens is when the metal is at an orange heat, it rusts, just from exposure to the air. in my forge, I'm perfectly safe because all that air is being combined with carbon dust or carbon gas, and it's going away. It's being bonded chemically, and so there isn't much oxygen left to rust the metal. They pull it out of here though, and now out in this room, there's tons of it, and it'll literally corrode. And so that's what you're getting is that thin flake. I mean, we're talking thin. And this is mild steel, so it's even thinner than most scale. So just very fine. But we were working on the stake anvil over there recently. And I was amazed at the size of the scale. I don't know if you have any more pieces of it. Flew everywhere. I was amazed at the thickness. You know, almost 1/8 of an inch off a heat. You know, for a welding heat on it. So depending on what you're working with, you're gonna get it.
A blacksmith wouldn't make something as fine as like a clock scraper candlestick.
Probably, I mean, you could, but you're going to be able to find those at the store. So you're not going to probably buy it.
Right, but they're made somewhere. I'm just wondering, where were they made by the 1830s?
They were made in factories. You know, so I mean, let's. You know, when I tell you that, I'm telling you that they were made by smiths. You know, they were made by smiths. It's just the factory and the country smith are very different people. A factory guy, say I was making hose like this factory. That's just, people don't even know what to do with that. They can't even keep up. There's no other axe company in Connecticut because of this kid. You know, within a couple motions in the eye of the axe, 3 hammer blows, and the thing is ready to admit the steel. The steel is welded on in the next minute and a half, and that thing is ready to go and is thrown in a heap, and the next one's grabbed. Just like that.
But you're making a 9 for this hoe. Why couldn't you make a 9 for the axe? In the same
I am making it the same way, but I don't have a water power chisel. I'm chiseling through on both sides and spreading it open, just like they did.
But yeah.
Alright, that's your view. Take a little meal.
Now, is that coke or cold?
Starch is cold, but it turns into coke. So we're using bituminous coal, which coats pretty good at low temperatures. So you just kind of heat it up, and it eventually coats. So I wouldn't go making your nicest stuff in the morning. You wait till your fire cleans itself out. But once it does, I have the edges kind of tumbling in, making more coke as I go. In my area would be charcoal probably, because I live out in the middle of the country where there's plenty of trees still. When you go over to the coast, and you're going to start seeing a much different thing. Where the trees, it's been settled a long time, and the trees are dwindling. They're not gone, but they're going. And so you're going to be buying coal, or mineral coal. This stuff, it's coming off of boats from England and all about. Basically not here, but everywhere else. So you can buy the imported or sea coal, as they call it. It's coming down in price, and pretty soon, even inland, we're going to see people buying this. I mean, if you look, and when the Erie Canal was built, well, the Blackstone Canal was also being built. So we have access to sea goods coming in from Providence, Rhode Island.